Hi, my name is Ajay, international examiner, world record holder, and director of the Skate Academy. In these unprecedented times of COVID 19, we are all contained in our houses, and some of us really don't know what to do. But it's the right time to work on your business since you cannot work in your business. Just when I was working on ideation as to what do I do in my free time, I got a message on my WhatsApp saying workshop by Nimit Shah on Facebook advertising. Always wanted to try my hand at Facebook advertising. Also did some without really getting into in-depth understanding of the same. When this workshop was advertised, I thought why not learn about it so that I can grow my business better. Nimit's 1 hour workshop on Zoom was so informative that it felt like result oriented and it made me join up his 4-day in-depth Facebook advertising course. Nimit Shah is a Facebook genius. He shared all his years experience in this 4 days workshop. The practical methods of using your money well was very well explained. Creativity, audience setting, scheduling, budgeting, every aspect, be it technical or practical, was really shown well through his experiences. It was also a great group of people in the course that made it more interesting. The questions were so insightful. The answers given by Nimit was also amazing. He never once made it difficult for anybody. In fact, he was always human and easygoing about the same. Even the technical aspect was explained with multiple examples which made it simple for us to understand. Light humor, easygoing attitude, smile on Nimit's face made it all very easy, even the technical aspects. Nimit Shah is the head of Leads Pipe, which helps businesses grow, and he helped us grow for our business to grow better. Nimit's online Facebook advertising course will make it so much better for you in terms of spending your every penny to its most advantage, making your Facebook advertising most effective, and in turn, again, allowing your business to grow better. Whether you do it yourself or you appoint an agency, this is the fastest learning course to grow better. Nimit Shah's workshop is truly great value to all.